How would the listener think to themselves, like the best way to adding in people's stories or their own stories to help with engagement, entertainment, and probably even sales persuasion?
Okay, so one thing about storytelling that I've learned is it's really a dance between the interviewer and the interviewee, right? Like you're sharing a bit and I'm sharing a bit, and you're really listening for how you can keep the conversation going. You're not just going to your next question. I think.
How do you know that? How do you know I don't just have 7 questions that I need to get through in the time of 20, 30 minutes?
You can feel it. I can feel it.
I like that. All right, well, keep going. I didn't mean to interrupt you.
You can hear it and you can feel it.
Yeah.
So it's okay to have bullet points, but I shouldn't be able to tell. It's okay to do your research, but don't be so married to your questions. You have to leave room for magic to happen in the conversation. You have to genuinely be interested in what the person's saying. And I think also new interviewers don't do little things like, tell me more. How do you feel about that? Just little follow-ups like that can make the person who's telling their story open up even deeper, and they love that. So those little tricks of getting a deeper answer from the person who's telling their story will make your story better versus just having it be question and answer. But try to get deeper by just giving them a little yes and.
Okay. So to be clear, one of the things that I think I'm hearing you say is if we're interviewing, a thing that we can do that can be beneficial is ask more questions about what they're already talking about.
Yes.
How did you feel about that? What you got you into that? Tell me more about that. These are good things. Is that right?
Yes, I love how you just re-paraphrase that and said it better. That's another really awesome technique. Some people are really good at paraphrasing. And actually, the reason I decided to have my dad at the end of my show is because my dad is really good at summarizing what I say and saying it in his own way, but he knows me so well that he's able to connect my crazy thoughts. And I think not everyone, when they're starting out podcasting, is able to give people the key takeaways at the end. So, have a notebook next to you and write down maybe your key thoughts that you want people to remember. That's another really, I feel like, advanced technique in storytelling is what do you want to leave the audience with? Give people those main points at the end. And I love that my dad does that for me and he puts his own spin on it.